Hi guys, we're going to learn how to make photo shapes. This is a watch and do lesson. In this lesson, we will create a photo shape using mask image. Then we will adjust the photo in a clip art heart to create this. So on the next page, you have your video instructions. You also have the two images. Over here in this whiteboard side, I put an extra copy over there for you just in case you needed it. Otherwise, it can just stay there. So the first thing you're going to do is you're going to select your picture. That's just one click to select it. We're going to go up here to the crop image. We're used to crop in our images, but I want you to pay attention to the delta. When I hover over the delta, it says mask image. I'm going to click that. When I have mask image, I can mask that image in any of these shapes. Some of them are quite strange to do, but I can do them. Okay, so we're going to pull over to the heart, and I'm just going to click and select the heart. Boom, there we go. Now, the first thing I'm going to do is kind of just size this a little bit and see if I can get it close. Oops. Hold that shift key down because we want it to be about the same. But if you notice the proportions are a little bit different, I'm going to show you how to change that. But I want to get it to be about what I need. So shift key down will hold the proportion. So I'm going to click out just to show you what it's at right now. Now I'm going to double click on my image. We know that when we double click, we got another set of bars. So here's one click, the blue handles, that will adjust and skew the photo. If I double click, I get those black handles. The black handles are going to edit the shape size. So I want to try and carefully, if I see that heart moving, I know I have the right handle. Every once in a while, I get the wrong one. And that's when the kids start moving. And so I'm going to kind of adjust it. I pulled it bigger. We'll deal with the photo in a minute. And I need to pull it down. Let's see, am I able to do any more from here? So all I'm doing at this point is adjusting the heart. And it just takes a little bit of nudging. It's not going to be a perfect fit because we have a different shape heart than image. I think maybe I can go a little bit lower there. I think that's as tight as I can get. That's as tight as I can get. And we'll deal with this in a minute. So let's deal with the photo. So we've adjusted the heart that cropped the mask. Now I want to double click and I want to deal with the photos. So what I want to do is grab the blue handle, hold down my shift key, and I want to make this photo a little bit bigger. I want it to fill that heart shape. I want to see those cutie patootie faces. So that looks pretty good. I'm going to use my arrow keys because I think I can see more of him. If I double click again, I'm going to use my arrow keys on my keyboard, or you could just drag it to shift it down. Okay, well, I like it a little bit more up. I like seeing a little bit of his neck. I don't mind that this cuts off a little bit of his head, but I can always move it a little bit to the left. So once I do that, I click out and I say, hey, not bad. But we're going to tweak it just a little bit more. But now we're going to tweak the clip art. So I'm going to select that and I'm going to just kind of see if I can mush it a little. Mushing, that is a technical term. I'm going to see if I can just get that white space a little bit better. I like that. That's not bad. And there we go. Make sure to submit.